Good morning, boys. I hope you had a nice weekend. I know that I did. So I just want to go over what you'll be doing today. So you're going to look over your schedule and you see that you have morning work, writing, reading, math, and then make sure you check out Mr. Lee's folder for social studies, and then gym with Mr. Robinson. He usually posts around 11:30, so you can go into his folder. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do your Starfall calendar activity by clicking the link, and it brings you to the calendar. So I want you to press all the buttons, move the pieces, and when you're done with that, you're going to go back into your slide. I gave you full access, so if you're bored or if you have extra time, you can go in and access Starfall. So the next thing you're going to do with your parents is you're going to read the greeting. Good morning. The greeting I chose today is, so there's 4 little pictures you can choose from. You can either drag it up to the rectangle, or if it's easier for you, you can use the oval and put it over the piece that you want. So you could fist pump your sister, your parents, whatever you want to do. Then you're going to tell someone the month, the day, the year, and then this is kind of cool. This is the weather report. So you click the link and you put in where you live, and then it tells you where you live, what the weather is like where you live. So right now it's partly cloudy. So whatever it says tomorrow, today for Monday, you're going to go into the next slide and you're going to tell me. So you either bring, like I said, the oval over to the piece, or you can move the square picture to the rectangle. Now, this may be tough to start with, but I want you to start using the keyboard to type your name. So take your time. You want to find your letter. So for example, I'll do Leandro. So you're going to find L and then E. So just whatever you can handle, do. If you can't do your whole name, that's okay. You could do Leo, L-E-O. Noel, you could do your name, Noel. Try your best to just get comfortable with the keyboard. Now, I provided you with a website that is completely, you could do it on your own time. You don't have to do it right now, but it's a free typing website that my daughter likes, and it's free. So you could check that out. Now, this is new. This is iReady. So what you're going to do is your username and your password, I'll have it here for you, but it's your OIS number. So you're going to log into iReady, and you're going to put your OIS number for your username, your OIS number for your password, and then you're going to click New York and then go, and it's going to bring you to your individualized reading assignment and your individualized math. Now it's all new. Try your best, and I know that you'll do a great job. And then when you're done with that, you're done for the day. Yay! So take breaks. You have the whole day to do this. I know you're going to do great. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.